Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, we are 73 degrees right now, and the weather has not changed throughout the day today. I feel like I'm floating in the clouds when you can see them moving. You know, got some wind out there, gusting still at 30 miles an hour, and you can see the strands of rain that continue moving in from northeast to southwest. This could have so far been a much worse episode than we've been dealing with here. So the flooding really hasn't come to pass. We've had some heavy rainfall across the upper Keys, but for the rest of us, this has been the kind of rain that the ground can take. We saturate, yes, but the ground, is able to do this with just some light showers that have been coming in. We've accumulated upwards of an inch here, but nothing has come in, at 1 to 2 inches per hour, which was the fear here over the last few days, and really what the forecast guidance was showing us here. So that has been a good thing. I still think we have Saturday to get through before we turn the page, and we're talking about a whole different weather pattern next week. So we'll get you there in a second. But there are the heaviest rains right now south of the archipelago. So we're looking much better. Key West at 29. There you see the gusts near 40. In Fort Lauderdale, we've been gusting north of 39. 39 mile an hour winds is a tropical storm force there. So that's been the case, and that's why every time we go to one of our reporters, you can see them just with significant wind, not so much with the rainfall. So that has been good. There's the bulk of the rain that has fallen with this particular part of the event, and then we'll get to phase 2 heading into the weekend. Flood watch is still up in anticipation of that, by the way, for the Keys from tomorrow morning into Sunday morning as well, and then we'll begin to quiet things down. This has been the culprit, the frontal boundary. Always difficult to figure out where these things are going to park themselves. The heaviest rain has been a little farther to the south, thankfully. Otherwise, we'd be all in that 2 to 3 inches by now. There is Saturday with this low getting going in the Gulf of Mexico here. It's going to be a pretty strong low that will impact not just Florida, but the southeast and the eastern seaboard here. It does move out rather quickly for Sunday, so we'll break this down on Rain Track and be able to see how we can plan our weekend here. So this is now Friday morning, still seeing those showers coming in northeast to southwest, so that's going to be just nuisance for tomorrow. But there's the low organizing across the central and eastern Gulf, and when that happens, you can see all this tropical moisture beginning to move in. The potential even for some severe weather there, that remains to be seen. It's on the low end right now, but not zero. And there you see Saturday 5 o'clock. This is an all-day rain event, and still some heavy downpours even closer to midnight. But then the rain shield begins to lift up with the low to the north and east, and so there we are at Sunday 6 a.m. Still some showers down across the south, but by kickoff at 1 p.m. here at Hard Rock, I think we're going to be in much better shape. But there is, again, the potential. It's on the limited side right now. That's the update from the Storm Prediction Center, but strong to severe wind gusts are possible with some frequent lightning and even the potential for some rotating thunderstorms, and also the potential for some moderate, as far as the threat level, it's moderate for flooding heading into Saturday afternoon. When all is said and done, 2 to 4 inches, 3 to 6, much better than what we could have had, which, back in November, we got upwards of a foot of rainfall here. That's not in the cards anymore. There is a rain chance coming up to 60-70% for tomorrow, and then the alert day will be for Saturday for those stronger winds, heavy rain, and then we'll begin to clear things out midday Sunday before the cold front comes in. Look at that. The coolest temperature so far this season coming in. We may not hit 70 on Tuesday. Overnight lows in the 50s with rain chances finally down to nothing.